Hey Ed, I came up with the answer to how do you get your iPad screen recorded along with getting your face or your motions, etc., onto the screen at the same time for your videos. What it's going to involve is on your computer now. Now I'm showing you on the iPad, but you'd have to do this on your computer. You just do a simple search for Reflector 3. All right, so you do a search for Reflector 3, and once that comes up, I don't know if I spelled it right. If you click Reflector 3, and it's just a free trial download at first. Okay, so you go Reflector 3 for Mac. All right, on your computer, you install that. It will ask you for a key, but we can take care of that. Later. So once you have that installed on your computer, what that does is it turns your computer essentially into an Apple TV that you can stream your iPad to. Okay, so on my iPad now, you're going to notice in the portion of the screen right under in that control panel, you see where it says Pullman's MacBook Pro. It's showing up as a device that I can AirPlay to because I've installed Reflector 3 onto it. All right, so we don't have to worry about cables. We don't have to worry about compatibility of older Macs versus newer iPad Pros. Like I said, it just turns your computer into a device that you can AirPlay to. So once you AirPlay this to your computer, now the nice thing is that thing actually looks like your actual iPad now. Inside of Notability, I don't know if you're aware of this, but there is a couple of new features. You know, we're used to this scroll method right here for the notes, but you can change the view to a single page, and then this is more of like a traditional slideshow. I usually don't use that, but I thought I'd mention it. And then in the upper left-hand corner up here, you've got a new feature that's called the presentation mode. See, always before you get all of these menus up here, okay? And every time that you go to change your pen style, you see that. Well, if we click presenter mode, now be aware, as soon as I click presenter mode, it's going to throw everything on the screen now off, and all you're going to see is just the information. Now, when I change my pen, you don't see the actual drop-down menu anymore, and now we get this fancy little laser pen option. Okay, so I thought I'd show you that. Now let's say once you have Reflector 3 onto your actual computer and you're AirPlaying this, how do you get your face on the screen right over there? Okay, what you do is on your computer you should have QuickTime Player. You get Reflector 3 on your screen like I've got right now. You start up QuickTime Player, go to File, and then you're going to choose New Movie. All right, so if you click New Movie, you're going to get your face on the screen. Okay, that's going to access the camera. You go back up underneath File, and you go New Screen Recording, and then you've got what we're looking at right here. It's recording everything that you do on your screen. Okay. Like I said, if you choose to do this option, I can take care of the Reflector 3 for you. But it is kind of a cool little feature that you can now record your face and the video of your lecture notes at the exact same time. So, all right. I hope that answers your question, and if you have problems, let me know. All right. Take it easy.